Hi, I'm Jeff in South Walton, Florida, here at a unique pool in WaterColor. As you can tell by looking at the pools, it has a rim overflow spa, some beautiful glass tile, and a negative edge waterfall. We spent a lot of time picking out the tile on this pool. We ended up with this nice blend of grays, blues, and crystal glass tile around the pool. At night, it really catches all the light from the LED lights. Fire features are becoming a new trend on swimming pools. These fire features here on this swimming pool actually have a spillway on them, which you can hear in the background now, spilling water into the pool. With this pool, we power it up with an easy touch controller. It's pretty unique. It runs the whole function of the pool, from the jets in the spa, to the lighting around the whole pool, to the fire feature, all at a touch of a button.